Okay, so this is Illustrator. Illustrator is a vector-based software as opposed to Adobe's flagship product, Photoshop.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy,
which is pixel-based, or we could say image-based. And what's the difference? Well, vectors are mathematical calculations, and pixels are those tiny little squares you can sometimes see when you zoom really close on an image or you have a low-resolution image. This main idea behind representing artwork results in the scalability. I mean, if you want your object to be scaled to a size that is as big as you can only imagine without losing the quality, well, vector artwork is the way to go. Enlarging pixel-based artwork will eventually result in quality loss, meaning the bigger you want an image to be, the more pixels you want to use. To produce, say, a huge pixel-based banner, you'd have to use a digital camera with a lot of megapixels on board. Of course, you can blow your image up, but you will see a decrease in image quality. Vector-based artwork can be scaled up with no limits. Well, the only limit would be the size of the material you're printing on, but still you don't have to worry about quality loss. Let me give you a quick example. On the left, we have vector-based artwork, and on the right, a pixel-based artwork. If I start zooming in really close, you can see that vector-based artwork remains smooth, whereas pixel-based artwork starts to look jagged. In other words, we are starting to see pixels. For print design, vector-based artwork should be your main choice. And for logo design, Illustrator should be your choice as it is worldwide industry standard.